Hi everyone, so if none of you have come across these camping car parks in France and Europe, we've just discovered them. So I'm just going to give you a quick look around and tell you what it's all about. So yeah, the camping car park group, I think basically they've purchased a lot of the smaller and maybe larger municipal sites in France and across Europe. So they badge themselves as the first European airs, if you can translate, our first European network of motorhome airs and stopovers. So from looking at the map, yeah, mostly France, but all over Europe basically, and England apparently. So basically you rock up and don't do what we did, think, oh, I need to purchase a card before we get here. You don't need to purchase a card, you can purchase it from the machine. So literally select English, you can go start, you can select English, motorhome user, continue, create an account. So once you've created your account and entered your details, I think it's about €5 for the card, and you can top up your card from this machine, or best, just download the app. You can see all the airs, obviously all the camping car park stops, and also from the app you can see how many spaces are left. So instead of just charging off there and thinking, oh, hopefully you can get in, you can see how many spaces are left at each place. So that's really good. And they update live. You know, if you drove in, within seconds the app updates to say there's one less space. You can do you can pay €29 extra for a year. That's lasts for a year. So basically that's like a privileges card, and with that then you can book ahead. You can book the same day, or you can book 72 hours or even 6 months ahead for your space. But also what that guarantees you is you can come and go out of your space as many times as you want without incurring any extra cost. So we're in the small town of Valais-Morgon, which is right in the centre of the Beaujolais area, Beaujolais region. Vins everywhere. This particular camping car park is 6 spaces. You can see there's only 3 of us here at the moment. Each space has an electric hookup, 6 amp. Also, you see on the pole over there is Wi-Fi. It's not the best Wi-Fi in the world, but it's good enough for general sort of Facebook type use. That's free, providing you got your card and you're registered. Then as soon as you hit the Wi-Fi, you're straight in, and it's unlimited and you don't have to pay any extra for it. Usual facilities: chemical waste, grey waste, fresh water. The bargain of it is all is €13. This place here is €13 for 24 hours. Got electric, wastewater dump, freshwater fill up, and Wi-Fi. €13. You can also enter for 5 hours. If you just want to come in for 5 hours, you know, do your wastewater, your fresh water, plug in, charge up your technology, charge your batteries, you can do all that for €5. I think it's €5 or €5.50. But you can stay for 5 hours. So when you come in, your card is charged for the first 5 hours. You don't get charged for the full amount. So if you left within those 5 hours, you're only going to get charged €5.50. You won't get charged the full amount. You just want to come in, recharge, and go. So simply, all you do when you've got your card is you drive up to Le Barrière, drive up to the barrier, flash your card on the keypad, and Le Barrière will open, obviously. Once you're in, choose your spot, plug in, put the kettle on, or open that bottle of wine. It's a highly recommended camping car park. Just rock up, buy your card. The card is valid for life, so any money you put on it is valid for life. You don't lose anything after a period of time, and you can recharge it online or recharge it at the machine. Usual YouTube stuff. If you're new to my channel, you like my videos, then please hit the like button, subscribe button, and see you in the next video.